Hey guys, Sandy here, and welcome to another Kill a Kit with Style. Now, I wanted to let you know what I was basing my kit on. So this is the Love from Lizzie card kit, and I believe this was, I want to say May, maybe, and it's based on Amy Tangerine's Shine On collection. So, in my Love from Lizzie card kit, I got a bunch of cardstock. And these are all cardstocks that will coordinate. Now, I never make cards with my Love from Lizzie kit. I always use it for scrapbooking. So I have these cardstocks. I also have some 6x6 papers. And I'll just flip these real quick for you to see them. Like that one. Just so you can get like an idea of the colors. I'm sure everybody knows what Amy Tangerine's Shine On collection looks like and entails. Now also in my Love from Lizzie kit, there are these peel-offs. These are just stickers. A stamp set. A sequin mix, and then of course some of the Amy Tangerine embellishments. So we got the puffy hearts, some of the bows, so super exciting little things here, and then of course the die cut package, and I just left that in. I'm just gonna leave that in there. Now we also got the sticker book, unsticker booked, but I already had a sticker book. And I've only used a very few things out of here. So I'm going to put this into my kit, and once I'm finished with this kit, I'm going to give this away. We might give some other stuff that is kind of left over from the kit, so we'll see. Now, also got these little puffball things. So those. So what I did was I went into my stash, and I pulled my Amy Tangerine Shine On stuff that I had. So I have the heart puffy stickers. I have a couple of sheets of paper, a couple of 12 by 12 sheets of paper, I should say, still left. I think that may be it from, nope. I also have these chipboard thickers. And then I had some puffy hearts still. So I pulled those all out. Now, another puffy heart. From my stash, I pulled this cut file, which I think is lovely. Now, I believe these are from Confessions of a Paper Addict. I have that cut file. I brought in some wood grain things and some cork things because of all of this brown in the die cut pack. So I brought in a bunch of those. Also brought in a wood grain paper from Moda Scrap. And I chose the one with the teal on purpose. Put some of these half little gold beads things. Then of course some enamel dots, some cork shapes, and flowers and hearts, also some black and white enamel dots. I brought in these Studio Calico labels along with these black labels. I brought in some more 12 by 12 paper too. Now this isn't 12 by 12, but it's what I have left of that. Just one sheet of black cardstock because I know I'm going to use a lot of it, but I just brought in ones to just represent it for the kit. This is from the Paper Studio. It's black and white leaves, and I thought that this totally went with the feeling of the kit. This is a marble paper, and I'm not sure where it came from. It's some paper pad. Here is one of the Vicki Boutin pre-made mixed media pages. Don't know where this paper came from. I do know I bought a 25 pack of it a long time ago and still have some. And then I have this gold and white wood grain paper that I believe came from Studio Calico. So I have those as well. I brought in 2 alphabet stickers from Jelly Bean Soup, yellow and orange. And then I brought in a couple frames. So I have this wooden frame here, And then this black and white chevron frame. This one is a Heidi swap. Not sure where this one came from. I decided to get these thickers used up. Hopefully I have a bunch of hashtags, hi, thank you, love, and create. So hopefully I can get those used up. I pulled in my patio party ones because they are a wood grain and I thought that they would go well. And then I brought in a couple of alphabets. So I have the Heidi and white together, and which is the gold sparkle, and then swing. And this is the carousel thickers. So I know I don't have a lot of choices left, but I figured I could get something out of here and get those used up and out of my stash. So that is my kit for this month, guys. It is totally based on a collection, just like last month, but I really am excited to dig into this because this is basically the second time I've had the Amy Tangerine collection. I also pulled these. So American Crafts used to do these awesome things here. This is from 2006, and they were all different, like named different things. Like this one was Playhouse, this one was Townhouse, and it has these black and white shapes, and they're in vinyl. And I just thought that this would be a great time to use some of these up. Now, I bought these originally to do a project with, and there were so many in here that I used a bunch of them, but still have a bunch left. So, oh, a couple more things off to the side. So I also have my toady. Now, when I got this in the mail in a kit, I didn't know what it was spelling, so I was pulling out the letters and trying to spell it, and when I got to it, I was like, oh, toady. And I was like, no, it's actually today. It's actually today. So I called this my toady. I figured it was a good time to get that used. And I also brought in my Brutus Monroe glitter glaze in Sunflower. So I really want to make the yellow in this kit, I think, pop. So there's my kit, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to show you what I make throughout the month of June. And I will see you all very soon.